All right, guys, so cheese grater's been going on for over a year and 3 months now, and I'm getting to the point where I just need time to get things done. But you never quit looking. You never quit looking for your next project. Y'all have seen it probably in the background of some of my other projects, but I went ahead and pulled the trigger. We're going to take a drink. Well, looks like somebody's already took parts off of it. Isn't that lovely? Anyway, guys, this was supposed to be my grandson's truck, his project. We were going to do it. We were going to get it going. That was going to be his first truck. Well, he decided he didn't want to do that. So, yeah, it's got a, looks like a 4.3 V6 carbureted. No radiator. Looks like it's been fabric cobbled together or just thrown together. Wirings, I don't know what's going on with the wiring. I don't know if something's been chewing on it or what. But yeah, battery's all melted. Probably not a good thing. It's a cool little truck. Got all its matching tires on it. Got a little scrapes and dents. It's a little 4-speed. Got a lot of junk in the back. We're gonna get rid of all that. But I think we're gonna, typically I would say I'd like to drop and slam it, but I'm 6'7", and dropping and slamming doesn't work too well for my noggin. Let's check out the inside. Oh, there's a water pump in there. Yep, definitely gonna need a seat. Yeah, this seat is gone. No clutch. I think it's got brakes though. Yep, I don't know if we can, I don't know what's behind the seat or nothing, but just a little S10. If we find an old truck, we can set the truck just, uh-oh. Don't know who that is. Oh, all right. I wanted to see what year it was. Well, okay. This thing is a 1984 S10. Well, ain't that cool? But anyway, guys, we're gonna, not right now, we're gonna clean it all out, get it all spiffed up as far as getting to where we can bring it into the shop. And yeah, I don't know what that water pump was off, because this water pump's on here. We're gonna see if we can get this joker running. Maybe driving, going down the road. It's got a hydraulic clutch, I see. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can do with this. And gonna need a new clutch master cylinder. I know that, I see that. But anyway, guys, I just want to give you a heads up. Comment below if you got any ideas what we can do with this. I have no idea what I'm getting into here, but we can try and see. Like I said, even if I just get it running and driving to where it gets me around to and fro, it'll save me on some gas. But that's it, guys. 84 S10. See what we can do with it. I don't know. There's the bed I want to get put on the cheese grater. We're gonna have to wash it out again, but anyway, guys, appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, comment below if there is something that you would like to see me do on that S10. I know it's just a bone stock S10, but I'm sure there's pretty good stuff we can do to it. All right, guys, we'll see you after a while.